Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will show you about array last index sum method. And the previous tutorial I had shown you array index sum method. So guys, array index sum method and array last index sum method both are little bit of similar. So guys, if you had not watched my previous tutorial, so go to description because I will provide the link of my previous tutorial. So watch the array index of method. And in this tutorial we will discuss about array last index of method. So guys, first of all, in this custom.js file, just here I will create an array equals to square bracket, and now here I will put some string value, but you can put number value also, and C, just I will put some random string value D E, and I will put another duplicate. So this C I will put here again also. So, and now first of all I will show you the original value of the array, and after that I will use array last index of method. So it now for that it will be easy to understand. So for that, document dot get element by id parenthesis inverted comma dot inner HTML, because guys we use inner HTML to print anything in JavaScript, and now I want to print the value of this array. So just I will take this array variable here, paste, and this id I have to be create. So in the HTML file, just here I will take a h2 tag, and inside this h2 tag I want to show the original value of the array. So for that, here just I have to take an id. So id equals to id is demo, but you can write here any name of this id, and I will copy this id, demo id, and here I will paste. So now inside this demo id I will paste the original value of the array. So first of all, here I will show you this. So you can see it's the original value of the array, and now I will use array index of method, array last index of method. So again, just here I will write another h2 tag, and I will take another id, and inside this id, or you can say it h2 tag, I will show after using array last index of method. And now I will take a button, because when I will click the button, then I will use array last index of method. So here click on click method, and the method name is func parenthesis, and the button name is click. And now I will copy this method, and just here I will use fade arrow function. So equals to and fade arrow function, and now when I will click the button, then I will use array last index of method. So guys, you have to understand what array last index of method done. So here I have a duplicate one, so that is C. So guys, if you have watched my previous tutorial, so you know guys how to use array index of method. So now in the here I will use array last index of method. So here I will take another variable where position equals to, and now here this I want to use this array last index of method in this this array. So I will take this array dot last, this is the syntax, last index of, and parenthesis. So we use index of method to find the position of an array element. So now here, suppose here I want to find the position of B. So B, and now document dot get element by id, and now the id is demo 1, this demo 1 id. So I will paste here demo 1 id dot inner HTML equals to this variable, because I assign this inside this variable after using array index of method. So now here, so now I want to find the position of B. So the B's position is 1, because array start from 0, so A's position is 0, and the B is put. Now I will go to the browser and refresh. So here is the button. So when I will click the button, so here it's showing the position of B is 1. So guys, you can see if you watch my previous tutorial array index of method, so it's the similar. It's say array index of and the array last index of method, both are little bit of similar. It's return the position of the array element. But guys, when we find the duplicate element, like here C is the duplicate. So suppose I want to find C. So let's check what output return. So refresh, and so it's returning 5. So that means guys, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So it's returning the last element C. But if I use only array index of method, if I write here only index of method, and same way if I want to find the position of C, so it will be return the 2, that means the first element of the array. But if I use the last index of, so last means guys, it will be return the last duplicate one. So this is the last duplicate one, so that's why it's returning the position is 5. So that's the difference of array index of and array last index of method, and everything is same. So in the same way, if you want to find one, because guys, you know this C element is not in the first position, that means position 0, you know it may be C element, it may be the position of 1, so you can write here 1. So it will be search from the position of 1. So it's not a different, it just it will we write this one for the time complexity, because if suppose there are 2 lakhs of array element, so if it start to find from the first position, so it will take more time. But if you suppose you know the first and the second position, there are not the element which we want to find, so you can set the starting position like 2, because we suppose we know there are in the 0 and 1 position C is not, we know. So this time we can set the starting position 2. So now it will be start to find from this position, so it will be take less of time, but output will be the same. So here you can see the output is same, but just it's taking the time is less. So this is the array last index of method. So hope guys you can understand this one, and if you have any doubt, so you can comment it out and I will try to solve this your doubt. And hope guys this video is helpful, and if you want to get more videos in JavaScript, so please like and subscribe.